Genocide, that them say. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, bang. Well, you know what I mean, sir? One heap of blood, one heap of spencer. So do badness, is it? No lazy mats.
This place no care, Tyler lost both parents. One better days appear, so them touch up into teen. I grade them up over
Tyler back on street again. Bang, bang, bang.
Try to make the paper, yeah, the crocus bag of green. Moving fuck up on them name, just say no one but the team. Coffee Nika, girl, him say lover and queen. Settle down and move in at the age of 17. Still a roll with Tyler though, chasing all in dream. Puffy start move different, know what that mean. Plus Puffy get a youth and want to show where the machine. Tyler still a talk it out, addicted to.
Somebody a food. Somebody food feed. Yes, I, blessed I, Rastafari. I and I. Yeah, man, bless up ones and youths, you know. I love, man. Cha-cha. Which one I go in a pot? You see that? Which one I go in a pot? And I see him size bad, bro. That's crazy. Yes, people. You see, guys, as me say, the work I go and put in, you know. One of the mesh them for the window. They'll have a hole in it. So I just decided, say, alright, I'm going to change out the mesh. So I just buy the mesh. You understand? Buy the mesh in a Lowe's. I have my scissors. I have my string. This string right here. You understand? And then I just grab the roller. You know? And just I do it myself. You know? Like things like them here you must can do yourself, you know? Not have to pay no one to do something like this for you, you understand? Yeah. So I just go and slide the tea in myself, as you can see. Then I just drop it forward in the window again. Yeah, just like that. Yes, guys, that is it. You see? Simple, quick and fast. Yeah? I just drop this in my window now. And on to the next project, cause I tell you, I'm there home, I'm there on leaves, I all grow up my beard. Yeah. You should have enough of that this still, but I think me shave a couple times, so I just part of it still, you know? Yeah, man. DIY, you know? Go and set up a place real nice, is it? Take care of it myself. And just keep myself occupied, you know what I mean? Weather still not change. Right now, windy outside. I don't know if you can tell. Even yesterday, said we start cut the grass. But me run out of fluid for the weed whacker. So I have to run go get the fluid. And then me end up grab the wrong one. So I have to care about that and exchange it to get the right one. So I couldn't, finish it up the real way. But at least I started. Yeah, outside and normal. So that now go get finished today. That can go in a trash can and me just get a fresh trash bag. But I'm not going to finish this today. I wait for it hot and warm outside. Then I just finish cut it the right way. And just, Yeah, man. Have all the little bicycle here, so, Yeah. Can go and work out and thing. No lazy much, you see? So, all of us put on weight, we are going to work on it. You see? Enough things I do because I have this year now. Change out. You get me? Put in a new one. I want to think. Change out that. Put in a new one. We are putting in the work, man. So, like, comment, share, subscribe. The Moocha Yardi. We are doing the right thing. No lazy much. No weakness. Out and but.
Watch me ever free, and I'm a force boss. Hey, the man. It's the man, man, with them at the pass. Yeah, so I saw Wi-Fi Second game now.
Easy no man. I'm a lie. Oh, Clark. When it come.